Hi, welcome to Montessori Country Day School. Today I'm going to give a lesson on domino addition, or it could be done dice addition. This is for the child who is already doing single digit addition. Just another fun way to do their addition facts. Again, all you need is a piece of paper. I have done just made boxes with addition. This could also be done with subtraction for the children who already understand the concept of single addition, single digit subtraction. So for the dice, we just roll the dice, and in the first box, they can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll my next dice. 3. 1, 2, 3 equals. And then they'll just add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. You could also do this with domino addition, where they'll just choose one of the dominoes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And this is something that they could do at home with you by themselves to keep them entertained. It's just another fun way to practice their addition facts. Thanks for joining us today.